Student, this is class 10th math unit number 7. My topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. Objectives of this topic. In this topic we will learn about triangle, shapes, angles. Angle is a basic information of shapes in mathematics, in engineering, like different shapes of building, houses, bridges. So this is the objectives of this topic. First of all, we learn in this is about angle. Angle is a common point of two non-collinear rays. These are the non-collinear rays and this is a common point. First side is a initial side and second one is a terminal side. Here is a common point is angle. We use two rotation, one is clockwise and other is anti-clockwise. In anti-clockwise rotation, angle denoted by theta. In anti-clockwise rotation, theta is a positive. If we use clockwise rotation, then theta is negative. Now there are two system of measurements. One is a sexagesimal system and other is a circular system. First of all, we deal about sexagesimal system of measurement. In this system, we learn about degree, minute, seconds. Degree, minutes and seconds. What is a degree? If the circumference of circle divide into 360 equal parts. So this is the circle. If we divide the circumference of circle with 360 degree equal arc, then central angle is called 1 degree. So degree represented by this symbol. 360 divided into, if a circumference of circle divided into 360 equal arc length, then each central angle is called 1 degree. Minute, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. This is the symbol of the minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. This is the symbol of the seconds. Now we have 4 types of quadrant. The standard position of an angle, initial arm should be positive x-axis from the vertex. So this is the standard position of initial arm. Standard position is initial arm should be moved with positive x-axis. Now we have 4 types of quadrant. Horizontal line is x-axis and this is the y-axis. We start from 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360 degree. So this is our quadrantal angle, terminal angle between these quadrantal angle. If we show the position of 120 degree, so this is the position of 120 is, here is the 90, so 120 degree is the right position. Similarly, if you want to show the position of minus 270 degree, then we use 0, minus 90, minus 80, minus 270, sorry, minus 360. Now 360 270 position is, so this is a location of minus 270. Here is some system of conversion of into decimal system or degree system. Suppose here is a given, convert, the question is 25 degree 30 seconds to decimal degrees. How we can change? So first of all, 30 divided by 60, that is 1 over 2, LCM 2 multiply to 50, so 51 over 2. If we divide 51 divided by 2, that is 25.5 degree. So change the sexagesimal system to degree system. Similarly, we can solve another question, that is convert 30 to 25. Question is 30 to 25 32.25 to डिग्री मिनट एंड सेकेंड्स. हमने कन्वर्ट करना है डिग्री डेसिमल सिस्टम टू डिग्री मिनट एंड सेकेंड्स. So 32.25, 32 plus 0.25, we can change into 100 because the 2 point after decimal, 1 over 4, so multiply by 60. When degree change into seconds, multiply by 60. So that is a change into decimal system. Now students, another system is circular system. Circular system is about radian. What is a radian? In a radian, here is a radius and AB is a arc length. If arc length is equal to radius, OA radius is equal to arc length. If radius is equal to arc length, then this angle is called 1 radian. Then theta is radian. सिंपल ये है कि जब हमारे पास ये जो आर्क लेंथ है इसकी इक्वल हो जाए इसके रेडियस से, तो वो हमारे पास रेडियन बन जाएगा. तो रेडियन इज़ अ स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ अ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ऑफ एंगल. नाउ 360 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई रेडियन. सर्कमफ्रेंस इज अ 2 पाई आर and radius is r divided by r, so that is 2 pi. So 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. Similarly, we can divide 360 2 pi radian. If we divide 360, then 1 degree is equal to pi over 180 radian. Similarly, we can change into degree. So now students, our open-ended question is that solve the different questions of degree into radian. So your homework, your diary is questions is how many system to measure an angle. So open-ended question is how many system to measure an angle, and second question is what is a standard unit of angle. So this is the open-ended question. Thank you students.